how to increase font size in Thunderbird. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you increase font size in Thunderbird. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Thunderbird with your account. Alright, so after you open the Thunderbird with your account, you'll got first interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option setting just at the bottom left corner. So simply click on the setting icon. Alright, so now from the setting section, you'll have to click on this general option. Okay, so from this general section, you'll have to scroll down and go the sections like fonts and color. So from here, you can change your font style and size. So simply you have to go the section size, and now from here, after you click on this drop down, you'll be able to select your desired font size for your Thunderbird. So simply from here you can change the font size, or you can also go the option advanced, and now from there you will be able to change your size for different font styles. So you can also do it from here. So these are the process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.